Here's everything the Vocic Z21 rollator comes with. And the first thing to do is to grab the frame and open this up. And we can do so by unclipping this Velcro here and then just pulling this apart. And we can put the seat down. And if you take a look at the inside of the legs, there's actually gonna be a letter there, and that's gonna correspond to where you attach each part. And we're gonna start with the angled wheels labeled A and B. So this part is gonna be labeled A, and that's gonna correspond to this wheel. So make sure to put it, just stick it in like this. And then on the other side, there's gonna be this push button. Just push and hold, push it upwards, and it'll lock in place. And then you can adjust the height of this afterwards too. Now let's move on to that other wheel, which is gonna be labeled B, and this is gonna go on the opposite side of this. So once again, just push it in, push and hold the button, and it'll click on the place. And now let's grab the other wheels. And I'm gonna start with this one labeled C. And keep a note that this has 2 push buttons, so we have to do it on both sides. And this is gonna go right over here where it's labeled C. This can be pushed upwards, push both buttons in, and lock it into place. Also make sure that the letter C and C are gonna be on the same side. And now we can do this on this other side here. And this one's gonna be D. So D is faced on the inside, so I'll just turn this around like so. Push it in. Hold those 2 buttons, push up again, and it'll lock into place. Now we're gonna move up top, and this is for the handbrakes. And keep in mind, there's gonna be this knob right here that we do have to twist off. This is gonna be the only hardware that we are gonna use. Pull it out, and then the handle can go right inside. And also here you could see how the handle is placed with that curve facing me away from this part. And there's gonna be 5 different options, and in this case, I'm just gonna go to the first option I see here. Push it in, and then tighten that. And now same thing for this other side. So just unscrew this, place this inside, and screw it back in. And this is where that baggie is gonna go. So right here is the bag. When you open it up, here's how it stretches out. And make sure this is facing the right way. And this is the right way. And where the mesh is, that's gonna face towards the front. And right here you see these 2 loops, and those loops can be stuck right in here. So you just push it inside, and then right over here, just pull this back, and then this will lock onto this part of the plastic. And then same thing for this other side, just like that. Now it's time for the backrest, and they're gonna attach right over here. But first, we do have to open up these caps, and these just pull upwards like so. And then make sure this is facing like this, the correct way. And this is just gonna slide into place right over here. Very simple, just push it in, and then close the cap. And then same thing on this other side, slide it right in and push it. And there you go. And to prevent the wire from just dangling around anywhere, there's actually gonna be this part right over here at the bottom, and we can just hook it onto place. And then do the same thing for the other side. Just like that. That's how you assemble the Vocic Z21 rollator. And by the way, when you want to fold this up, simply lift up the seat and then pull this metal part that you see right there, and it folds up. And to prevent this from coming down and unfolding easily, just grab that Velcro strap again and tie it right there, and there you go.